frequently use. Just mix it with the water. Instead of soap, to your private parts you should use this. That will keep you healthy, clean and dry. Odorless, right? And make you very, very fresh. So today we are taking one bottle of this and back. Official, we can just distribute this.
All of you use this properly and dispose also properly. Do not throw it like it's open in your dustbin. Properly wrap it in a paper and a cover and then throw it properly, because you should not spread diseases to other people around you. Okay?
This is the, just read it, this is English and Hindi. Okay? You pass it on there. Take one and pass it on.
So Bhumi, you are going to read that?